What is the standard pneumatic and electrical signal? The standard pneumatic signal is 3 to 15 pounds per square inch. The standard electrical signals are 1 to 5 volts or 4 to 20 milliamps. Why does a transmitter output start from 3 to 15 pounds per square inch or 4 to 20 milliamps? The output starts from what is known as live zero and also helps to know the difference between live zero and dead zero. This system has specific advantages. 1. The system automatically alarms when the signal system becomes inoperative. 2. The output areas is linear ratio of 1:5. What is the difference between 4 to 20 milliamps and 0 to 20 milliamps? Why are we not using other ranges of currents in automation? If we keep the 0 to 20 milliamps range and ideally there is no value showing, how could we justify assuming that the signal is coming? As a result, whether it is failed or working, you will receive 0 milliamps. That was the reasoning behind 4 to 20 milliamps. Second, the standard range is 4 to 20 milliamps because we should consider the 250K resistance of the signal carrying cable, and as control is converting analog to digital displays by voltage states 5 volt is equal to 1 and 1 volt is equal to 0. So if you apply Ohm's law in range 4 to 20 milliamps and resistance to 50K ohm, you will get 5V and 1V. How accurate is a 4 to 20 milliamps signal? The standard range is 4 to 20 milliamps with 1% accuracy. What is 4 to 20 milliamps standard? 4 to 20 milliamps is a type of analog output. 4 to 20 means that current is output in a range between 4 milliamps and 20 milliamps. This output is widely used as sensor outputs and control signals, especially as standard analog outputs from instrumentation devices. What cable is used for 4 to 20 milliamps? The recommended cable for 4 to 20 milliamps signal is twisted shielded pair wire with a drain wire. What is the formula for calculating milliamps output? Calculation of milliamps output is milliamps DC is equal to % of x asterisk 16 plus 4. For example, the transmitter range is 0 to 200 degrees Celsius. The milliamps for 50% is 50 by 100 asterisk 16 plus 4 equals 1 by 2 asterisk 16 plus 4 is equal to 8 plus 4 is equal to 12 milliamps. The answer is milliamps for 50% is equal to 12 milliamps. What are the advantages of 4 to 20 milliamps current loops? Advantages of 4 to 20 milliamps current loops are: simple installation. 4 to 20 milliamps current signal is safe for hazardous area because of low power and there is no risk of electric shock or fire. Robust against background electrical noise. The current signal can be transmitted without error to a long distance of 1000 meters. The 4 to 20 milliamps signal is preferred over any other signal because the broken wire can be easily detected. Loop current less than 4 milliamps. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, comment. IIQA